Gumagastos ka na sa sarili mo, pero wala kang kinikita? What if habang gumaganda ka, kumikita ka rin? Paano mo sisimulan? Simple lang. Step 1. Start with 1,288 pesos. Hindi ka lang basta nagbabayad. Kasama na dito ang Apple Stem Cell Cream. This cream is powered by Apple Stem Cell Technology, Malus Domestica, na tumutulong sa skin renewal, mas smooth at glowing na skin, anti-aging support, hydration at healthier looking face. So hindi lang business, may product ka na agad na magagamit at maibebenta. Step 2. Sign up. Fill out the member registration form and activate your account. Once you're inside, you'll get your own dashboard, your own product link/website, and ready ka na agad mag-start. Simple, clear, ready ka na kumita. Now let me show you how you earn. Hindi mo kailangan maging expert. Log-in ka lang sa account mo. Ito ang dashboard mo at dito mo makikita lahat ng earnings mo habang lumalaki. May sarili kang money link or affiliate link. Copy mo lang at i-share mo. Pag-usapan natin ulit ang product. This is our Apple Stem Cell Cream. Madali lang siya i-share and mataas ang demand kasi result-driven talaga. Helps improve skin texture, visible glow, and smoother skin. My repeat buyers. And what makes it powerful? It is powered by triple antioxidant, triple hydration complex, skin regeneration technology. So what does that mean? It helps protect your skin, keeps it hydrated and glowing, and supports a more youthful, healthier looking skin. So hindi ka lang one-time sale. Pwede kang magkaroon ng tuloy-tuloy na customers. Now, here's the best part. Customer price is 1,900 pesos. Discounted price is 1,400 pesos. But as a member, you get it for only 980 pesos. That means you can earn around 400 pesos plus per sale. Simple product, simple sharing, but real income. Ganito lang kasimple ang system. Share, may bibili, kikita ka. Simple lang. 3 ways ka kikita dito. 420 pesos per sale, benta mo lang product, may instant kita ka agad. 300 pesos direct referral, may na-invite ka, may dagdag income ka agad. 80 pesos, 40 pesos, 30 pesos from your team. A very generous compensation plan made possible by online system. Kahit hindi ikaw ang nagbenta o nag-recruit, kumikita ka pa rin from your first, second, at third level. Note, activate lang after one personal sale and you will be qualified to claim all your income from the efforts of your team. Real talk, hindi mo kailangan maging expert. Hindi mo kailangan malaking capital. Kailangan mo lang magsimula. Ready ka na? Message mo lang, start. Tutulungan kita step by step. For 1,288 pesos, eto ang binubuksan mo. May sarili kang product na pwede mo ibenta. May system ka na, hindi ka mag-iisip from scratch. May step-by-step guide ka na susundan. May support ka habang natututo at kumikita. Simple lang ang goal. Gamitin mo yung 1,288 pesos para mag-start ng sarili mong online income system. Hindi kailangan perfect, hindi kailangan expert, kailangan mo lang magsimula. And the good part, habang ginagamit mo yung system, pwede mong palakihin yung 1,288 pesos mo through sales, referrals, at team growth. Step by step, at your own pace. If you keep waiting, nothing changes. Pero once you start, even small, may direction na yung income mo. Ready ka na? Type, join ako, or message me, start. You will be guided from day 1 para makapagsimula ka agad. Start small, grow smart, build your own online income starting with 1,288 pesos. May tanong ako sa'yo. Gusto mo na bang kumita online? Kung oo, message mo lang, Rebi. Tutulungan kita step by step. Hinahanap ko yung gustong matuto, open mag-check ng dashboard, ready mag-share ng link, gagamit muna ng product para makita ang results, at willing mag-aral ng system para maituro din sa iba. Alam mo, hindi mo kailangan maging perfect para magsimula. Kailangan mo lang maging willing. Kasi hindi lang ito tungkol sa income. Ito ay tungkol sa pagbabago ng sarili mo, sa pag-grow, at sa pag-inspire ng ibang tao. Habang ginagamit mo ang product, you radiate beauty. Habang inaalagaan mo ang sarili mo, you nurture your health. Habang share mo ito sa iba, you inspire hope. At habang binubuo mo ang journey mo, you live fully. Hindi mo kailangan maging expert. Kailangan mo lang magsimula. Kasi bawat step na gagawin mo today, mas lalapit ka sa buhay na gusto mo. So kung ready ka na, message mo lang ready at samahan kita step by step.